In this video, we are going to see how we add and subtract polynomials. So first, we will start off with addition of polynomials. How do we add polynomials? Now I have two polynomials. Let's again look at what's a polynomial. Anything more than one term in an algebraic expression will be called as a polynomial. So here I have got three terms. It's a trinomial. Again, I got three terms over here. This is also a trinomial, or I can say they are both polynomials. Okay, let's see. Now I have to add the polynomials. Now this is one of the polynomial, this is another polynomial. I have to add it. Now there are two ways to do it. I'll kind of split this page over here because I will explain to you both the methods of addition. One is the horizontal method, the other is the vertical method. Now normally we follow the horizontal method because adding vertically becomes difficult when we have more terms in a polynomial. So adding horizontally makes it simple. So let's see how do we do add two polynomials. So I'll write the first polynomial over here. That is 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Addition, I simply write the next polynomial, that is this polynomial. I put a plus sign and write it as it is. So if I would, let's say, let me put a bracket over here, 11z plus 4y minus 5x. I close the bracket. Now since there's a plus sign over here, I don't need to worry about any of the signs inside. I'll simply open the bracket. So it will be like 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 11z plus 4y minus 5x. Now look at this. Now this looks like one big polynomial to me. Now over here I look out for like terms. Now can I add 2x and 3y? No, I can't because they are unlike terms. But I have to look at the 2x over here. I got minus 5x in this corner over here, which I can add. So let's see. I'll bring those like terms together along with their signs. Remember, I have to get it together along with their signs. So here 2x, this is minus 5x. Now the next term is plus 3y. Do I have a y term? I have over here plus 4y. Now over here I have got plus 4z. I have over here 11z. I can add or subtract this. 2x minus 5y will give me what? 3x. Is it? Or I have to look for the sign also. Yes. Minus 5 is the greater number over here, the sign of the greater number. 3 plus 4 will give me plus 7y. Plus 4 plus 11 will give me 15z. So this is how we do it. This is your answer. Can I add any further? No, because they are all unlike terms. Let's move to vertical method. In vertical method, I write the first polynomial as it is, plus 3y minus 4z. Now what I do is, I look at terms in the second polynomial which has got the same variable content. Now I see over here 11z should come here. 11z. What is the sign of 11? Plus. Correct? Okay. Did I make a mistake over here? Yes, I made a mistake over here. Plus 4z it is. Okay. So 11z will come here. Let's see. What's the next term that I have? 4y. Where will the y term? Will it come over here? No. It will come over here. Plus 4y. Where's the x term? Minus 5x. Simply, I will, whatever is plus 4 and plus 11 will give me 15z. What sign? Plus. 3 plus 4. Both have got the positive sign. 3 plus 4 is 7y. What sign? Plus. 2x minus 5x. Again, 5 is the greater number. Minus sign. 5 minus 2 is 3x. Look at the answer. Both these answers are the same. So whatever method you are comfortable with, you can either look at a method to do it with vertical addition or horizontal addition. Both the methods are applicable. Only thing you have to remember is only like terms can be added together. Okay, so let's look at an example with subtraction. Now what I have done is, again here there are two methods. One is the horizontal, the other is the vertical. Now in the horizontal, remember, as I did for the addition, I write the first algebraic expression 2x plus 3y plus 4z. I put a minus sign and then I close this bracket. So 11z plus 4y minus 5x. Okay, now the thing that I have to remember over here is that whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, that would mean that there is kind of a minus 1 outside waiting to be multiplied by any of the terms inside over here. So if I multiply minus by plus, it will become minus. If I multiply by minus by plus, it will become minus. If I multiply minus by minus, it will become plus. So if there is a minus sign outside, all the signs inside will change. So let's see over here. So I write over here 2x plus 3y plus 4z. It plus 11 will become minus 11z. Minus into plus, minus 4y. Minus into minus, plus 5x. Okay, great. Now the same things. I have to bring the like terms together. Unlike terms are like, I'll bring all the like terms together over here. So here 2x, like term is plus 5y. Then I write the next one over here 3y. Next like term is minus 4y. I have to bring it together along with their signs, as I did tell you before. Then here it is plus 4z minus 11z. Okay, let's look at this again. Over here, sorry, here 5x, it should be 5x because it's a x that has come together. So 5x plus 2x will give me 7x. 3y minus 4y, which is greater? 4. What's the sign? Minus. So it will be 3 minus 4 is 1y. 4z minus 11y. Sorry, 4z minus 11z. That will 11 minus 4 is nothing but 7. What is the sign of the greater number? Minus z. So I have written 1y over here. Whenever there is 1y, it just means it is y. So it is says 7x minus y minus 7z. That is my answer. Clear? Now let's see vertical method. Again, vertical method, I'll write the first algebraic expression as it is 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Okay, now I will write the terms which are like terms below these. So 11z will come here. What is the sign over here? It is plus. Here I'll have 4y. Here I have minus 5. x. Now the operation here is subtraction. So if the operation is subtraction, as we change the sign over here for every term, here also the signs will change. Minus will become plus, this will become minus. I'm cutting this off because now it has minus sign. Here the sign has become minus. So 4, 11. 11 minus 4 will give me 7z. What is the sign over here? Which is the sign of the greater number? Minus. Okay. 3y, 4y. Which is the sign of the greater number? It is minus y. Why? Because 4 minus 3 is 1. As I did tell you, when I am writing over y, I just simply write 1y after I can still write it as y. So here again I am writing y. Now here both are positive signs, so I add 5 plus 2 is 7x. Again, if I am comparing my answers over here, both have got, by both the methods I have got the same answer. So here it is very simple when we are doing it because it was only one variable that was there. Let's do one example of subtraction which is slightly different or maybe has got different components. Let's say over here. Let's say over here 2xy plus 3xy square minus 3xy plus 3x square y plus 7xy. Now the second, this is the first algebraic expression. The second y is say 5xy minus 4x square y plus 3xy square plus 8xy. Let me see over here. Okay, xy. Say let's me make this as x cube y. Okay, and let me make this also x cube y. Okay, now let's look at how I subtract. Now the operation is what? Subtraction. Now I will be following the horizontal method only because it makes my life easy, because when I change the sign it indicates to me very easily over here. So let's say over here 2xy plus 3xy square minus 3xy plus 3x square y plus 7x cube y minus, I put the bracket, 5xy minus 4x square y plus 3xy square plus 8x cube y. Okay, now the first bracket remains the same, that is 2xy plus 3xy square minus 3xy plus 3x square y plus 7x cube y minus, now since all the signs inside have to change over here, minus plus 5y x5 will be give me minus x5 xy, minus into minus plus 4x square y minus 3xy square plus will again change to minus, becomes 8x cube y. Okay, now what I do is I look for the like terms. I'll bring the like terms together. 2xy, what is the like term over here? Okay, I got over here minus 5xy. Okay, let's me put over here 3xy square. Now I have to look for y square. Do I have any term with x y square over here? Let's see. I've got over here 3xy square. Okay, let's see over here minus 3xy square. Okay, now I have a term with xy. Okay, there is xy is also over here. There's one xy term over here, so I'll have to put over here this. I'll have to bring it together, minus 3xy. Okay, now what is left over here is I've got x cube y. So this becomes what? 7x cube y. Do I have a x cube y over here? Yes, I have this over here. So it becomes minus 8x cube y. Did I miss out any term over here? I have over here x y square. I have xy. Okay, I have missed out this 3xy. So I have add over here 3x square y. Where is the term for 3x square y over here? I have 4x square y. What I did was I brought the like terms together. I brought these two terms together. This one is also another like term. So I brought all the three terms together. I have x square y, 3x square y, x square y over here. Okay, here it is. So I brought these terms together. That is over here. Then I had x y square, that terms. So I had over here x y square. Let me put this as this. Okay, I brought these two terms together over here, and the rest of them were 7x cube by 8x cube by. So I brought all the like terms together. Now I'll simply go ahead and add or subtract. Okay, let's see. 2xy minus 5xy will give me minus 3xy. Minus 3xy minus 3xy will give me minus 6xy. Okay, 3xy square minus 3xy square, 0, because minus 1 plus 1, 0. Okay, plus 7x cube y minus 8x cube y. Signs are different. I subtract. Sign of the greater number is minus, minus. Here it will become x cube y. I told you, I don't write the 1 over there. Okay. Next term is 3x square y plus 4x square y. Will give me over here plus 3 plus 4 is 7x square y. This is my answer. So I have added two different polynomials. I have subtracted two different polynomials. This minus this. I wrote it in the bracket form. I changed the sign of the second polynomial. Then I went ahead and brought the common terms together. Then I added or subtracted whatever terms were there according to their signs. I solved the algebraic expression.